Murdock from Modern Day Pirates here again, here to show you how to stain some leather here. This is the keychain that we've already done in the first two videos that I made, and what I'm going to do is show you how to stain it. This happens to be an all-in-one stain, so what it has is the stain and a clear coat with it. That basically protects it from rain and weathering and stuff. So you're gonna have to shake it up. Shake it up. It's got a child-proof top on it. And then it's very simple. Here, what I'm gonna do is put it back down here. Okay. All right, we're back here again. All right, it's very simple. I'm gonna pour some of the stain right onto the rag, like so. This is a midnight black stain that I'm doing right here. And I like to do both sides, usually, most of the time, just to make it look a lot nicer. Usually you'll just use a cotton rag or whatever kind of cloth you have around, something soft, because you don't want it to scratch up the leather work that you've done already. And you got to goop it on sometimes to get into the grooves that you've stamped into it or carved into it. It's pretty simple. Make sure you get into the hole of everything here. You're going to want to use gloves because this stuff will stain your hands very easily and it'll take a while to get off. It is water-based though, so on your skin it will stain for a little bit, but you can get it off with some soap and water after it dries. So as you can see, I just put a little bit of stain on this one. I didn't put anything special on, I just straight up black stain. And you put on the wet part, you put on the stain wet, and then wait a few minutes, not even a few minutes, 10-20 seconds, and it's usually dry enough to where you can buff it. The next thing is you want to take a clean part of your rag and buff it off. I should wait longer because what that does is it shines up your leather. So if you wait just a little bit longer, that's probably okay right now. Alright, and then just start doing it in a circular motion is usually the best way to go, so you don't put any scratches on it. Just buff it like you're buffing a car. Some stains look more shiny than others, but there you have it. It's all set. That, my friends, is staining. So it's not very difficult. It's pretty simple to do. Just make sure you have the gloves on and you have the right stain. This is an all-in-one stain. There are different ones that are called dyes. A dye is different. Dye actually, it stains it, but it dyes it a different color. That's the idea of the whole thing. And you'll end up having to put a clear coat after that. This one is all-in-one. This is Echo Flow all-in-one. You can get that at Tandy Leather Factory, just like any of the other stuff that I have here. So that's staining, and I just wanted to make sure to do that for you. And Murdock out.